Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Okay, kitties. What's our story about tonight?
We can't decide.
It's either about a little monster kid
Or a submarine that sneezes.
Tell you what. Put the submarine and the monster in here. I'll close my eyes and pick one. I'll mix them up and... boop! The monster wins. Now, what should we call this story?
I can't decide.
That's a perfect name.
What is?
I can't decide. Once upon a time, there was a monster named Wolfie who could never make up his mind.
Yes, I can. Or, wait, no, maybe I can't.
And today was extra hard for Wolfie because he went to Monster Fun Park where there were so many things to choose from.
Ooh, ice cream.
They even had both of his favorite monster flavors.
I know, Tarantula Crunch.
And toenails and cream.
Which one do I want?
You better choose soon, 'cause there isn't much left.
If I get the Tarantula Crunch, I can't have the toenails. But if I get the toenails, I can't have the Tarantula Crunch. Toenails or tarantula? Can you help me decide?
Not anymore,
Why not?
because it's all gone.
Oh, no!
Wait, we want Wolfie to have a good time in our story.
Well, then how about we make up some scary rides for him?
Perfect.
He'll love that.
How about a ghost coaster?
And a scary go-round.
Great. But who's going to run the rides?
We can.
Go, Monster Kitties, let's go!
Step right up and ride the ghost coaster. A high-flying ghost of a ride.
Or if spinning's your thing, try the scary go-round. A revolving ring of never-ending monsters.
Which one will you ride, Wolfie?
Oh, I don't know. I really love to go high. Oh, but I love spinning too. How can I decide?
Heads, it's the scary go-round. Tails, it's the ghost coaster. Heads, the scary go-round, please.
That's one way to choose.
Scary, berry, slimy goo. My antennas point to you. The ghost coaster, please.
And that's another way.
Oh, those are good ideas for choosing.
So, pick one for yourself.
All right. I think I'll choose... I don't know. I can't even decide how to decide.
Attention, monster riders. It's time for your last scary ride of the day.
What? This is terrible. I don't want to make the wrong choice.
Do you know what the worst choice would be?
What?
To not make any choice.
Then you won't get to ride anything.
I need help.
Okay, just close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Then point your finger and we'll spin you around.
Okay. Here goes. Whee! The scary go-round! Hooray!
Great choice!
And guess what? Wolfie loved his decision, and he decided that next time he'd try the ghost coaster to see if he liked that ride even better.
Ow! That was a fun story, Dad.
I'm glad we chose it.
Now, what should we dream about? There are too many choices.
I know what I'm gonna do. I'll close my eyes.
And point?
No, silly. And sleep. Go, 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 go. we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go.
Look, kittens, snow.
Hooray! Can we build a snowman?
Well, there's not nearly enough snow for that right now.
But can we build it when there is enough?
Sure, after we shovel. We don't want to get stuck in the house, do we?
Aw, making a snowman is much more fun than shoveling.
How about we make up a story until there's enough snow outside?
All right. About a gopher.
Who got stuck in his house?
Great idea. And I know just what to call it. Gopher help. Once upon a time, in an old hollowed-out tree, lived a gopher named Chompers.
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Chompers needed help because something was wrong with his
nose.
No, his toes.
No, it's my television. It's broken. Won't somebody help me fix it?
We can help Chompers.
Yeah, we'll be the Fix-It Kitties. If we can't fix it,
it's totally kaput. Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
The Fix-It Kitties.
At your service.
Hurry! My TV stopped working, and my favorite show's about to begin.
Well, let's take a look.
Oh, please, hurry!
Aha! This vine was growing inside your TV.
Oh, you fixed it.
Of course. We're the Fix-It Kitties.
I love those little ducks.
The very next day, while the kitties were busy fixing things at their repair shop...
Fix-It Kitties. If we can't fix it...
Hurry! My TV won't work again.
Chompers, we'll be right there. Come on, Kate. Sounds like another TV emergency at Chompers.
I thought we fixed that.
Thank goodness you're here. I can't reach the remote.
I think your problem is these vines.
I probably should get rid of them, but I don't want to miss my favorite show. Please hurry.
Wow, do these vines grow fast?
Chomp it, Chompers.
Got it! Kit, I'll stay here with Chompers and get these vines cut down.
Great! I'll go back to the Fix-It shop in case someone else needs our help. Whoa!
Those ducks are funny.
Hey, I had a hat.
No sooner had Kit gotten back to the shop when...
Fix-It Kitties. If we can't fix
it... Kit, you gotta come help us.
Kate?
We're stuck.
Chompers?
Someone gotta come help us out.
Hang on. Oh, no. Kate, I thought you were gonna help Chompers cut these vines.
I just wanted to watch the ducks first.
Weren't they funny?
Yeah, but it isn't very funny now.
Hey, that's enough playing around. It's time for the Fix-It Kitties to fix things. Kate, get out.
The Fix-It Kitties kept working and working until they were finally done. And from then on, Chompers made sure his vines were cut before he had fun watching his favorite show.
Open wide, Chompers.
Now hand me that remote.
What a fun story.
Look at all that snow, Mom.
Who wants to build a snowman?
We do. But first, we have to shovel.